Hello there, I'm Luke from the Clever Car Collection, and today we've got another Suzuki Jimny in stock. Now this Suzuki Jimny is the green one, it's four-wheel drive, it has just delivery mileage, and in today's video I'm going to show you all around it so you know what to expect when coming here to the Clever Car Collection. Now let's take a look. Now this Suzuki Jimny has the 1.5 litre petrol engine with an automatic gearbox, and with that you get a fuel economy of around 41 miles to the gallon. It also has 101 brake horsepower. Now this car, as I said, it is very new. It has covered just 17 miles and it was first registered in 2025. Tax for these Jimnys is £230 for the year, and this car is an insurance group 33E. So we're just going to take a walk around so you know what to expect with the Jimny. Starting off on the front here. Take a look at that lovely grille. Iconic, some might even say. And there's the bonnet. Your windscreen. Now on the top there we have fitted a custom roof rack. Give you a better look at that. We think it makes the cars look very nice. Let's take a slow stroll down the driver's side here. You've got your wing mirror. On the door handle here you've got a button. If you've got the key in your pocket, you can lock the car just by pressing that. Fuel cap, this is petrol. Take a look at those wheels. Onto the back here. There's your spare wheel on the back. All looking lovely around here. Again, you've also got another lock button just here. Let's come around to the passenger side. I'll show you the wheel there. It's all looking good. As I say, this is a car with just 17 miles on it, so there's no damage to really declare on this vehicle. So, that was a little walk around on the outside. Let's take a look inside. Just opening up this lovely sized boot door. As you can see, you've got these two seats here that have got a hard plastic back on them. That is because you can fold them down like so, and it acts as one bigger boot. And under here you've also got extra storage, and there's also a 12-volt socket just on the side there. Put these seats back up, it's very easy, you just simply pull them up like that. Just take a look inside here. Take a look at that immaculate dash, very nice. To get into the back seats here, you just simply pop that lever there and then pull that lever, slide the seat forwards. And then that gives you a good look into the back here. And again, these seats are immaculate as they are in new condition. And these two rear seats also have ISOFIX. Now let's pop this seat back so that we can take a look in the front here. There's your door card. It's very simple. There's still some factory plastics in place there. So here you've got your mirrors. They are electric and folding. Your engine start button. All you need is the key in your pocket. And then on here you've got your cruise control, you've got your steering mounting controls for your media player here, which does have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Now here you've got your climate controls with air conditioning. Down here you've got your electric windows, 12-volt socket just there, automatic gear stick, your four-wheel drive select, and there's your handbrake with your two heated seats. Now to activate the Apple CarPlay in the centre unit there, you just pull down the glove box and your USB connection is there. Start the engine up, so push the button there. Camera's not focusing on it, but it is there. Handbrake's down. Right, so we'll just take a look at the dash there. As you can see, the odometer reads 16 miles. There's no warning lights on the dash. The only one is the blue one there, which is just a cold engine because we've started out from the cold. To turn this down, you just press there, like so. Oh, we've got to press agree there. Your radio's here. It does have DAB as well. We get no signal being inside the building here. But if we just go to the home, there we go. So you've got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto there. And again, you can answer the phone too when you connect with Bluetooth. This car will be serviced and PDI'd ahead of delivery. And if you like this car, you can get the £100 reservation fee, which is deductible from the total bill should you purchase it. We do also offer finance and delivery. But I think that's it for this video. If you get a chance, please check out our reviews on Google and Auto Trader. We're very proud of them. But thank you for watching.